Hi, I'm Rolf, and you're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On the menu today we have pre-smashed smashed burgers on tortillas and a side of onion rings. I've got the griddle warming up, and I'm going to show you a short right after this on how I prep the tortillas. Here you go, pre-smashed burgers on tortillas with cheese and whatever fixings you want, and some onion rings. Okay, griddle's up to temp around 450. In some areas, I'm going to just spray it down with some Pam. Yes, you can use Pam on your griddle. Grab the onions. See if we can get them covered. Yeah, look at that. And a cover for these. We'll flip them and rotate them. We're done in about 15 minutes or so. We'll be back. Onion rings are done. Let's make some burgers. A little more Pam. And kerplunk. Flip it onto the cool side. A little salt. A little black pepper. Spicy mustard, and lots of vinegar coming out there. Come on now. Good old American cheese. Toss on another tortilla. Get it back on the heat. Give them a flip. And we call that one done. There you go. You can quarter it, half it, whatever you want to do with it. Eat it whole. Whatever makes you happy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.